Okay guys, it is time again for Shop My Stash. This month is February. I'm actually doing it on the 3rd, so in all transparency, it's a couple days past the January. So I'm ready to move some items out and show you what I added in throughout the month just to kind of show you. All of my lip products are staying the same. I do have a no lippies or hashtag no lippies left behind challenge that I'm doing on Instagram. So I have those. I have a couple little blister packs. These ones are from MAC. These ones are from Urban Decay. So I just have a couple little things in here, keeping all of this the exact same. And I also added in this Smashbox lip gloss. I think I'm going to try to finish this one after I finish the LMR. So I'm going to just keep this in my drawer just to keep my mind on it. I'm not sure where I found this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, but I figured I would just finish this out. This is staying in. Basically, everything is going to stay the same except for I'm changing a few things out. So I did fill this Ulta Mineral Setting Powder. I filled it with the RCMA No Color Powder. I seriously love it. It's right here in this like pack of, I don't know, oregano shaker. And I hate this packaging, but I love this one, so I've just been kind of refilling this as I put it all throughout my drawer. So let's talk about the things that I am taking out. I'm going to take out both of these blush/face palettes. So you guys originally saw me put this one in the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Make Every Moment Count. This has 3 different blushes in it. I did end up using all 3 of them. Really enjoyed this palette, and I love the smell. It has a really, really fresh, almost like a, I don't know, like a sweet smell. I really like it. So definitely going to keep this in my life, but I'm going to take it out for now. And then halfway through the month, I was kind of feeling something different, so I decided to put this in. And I did get a fair amount of use on it, especially this really nude colored blush here, but I'm going to take this out for now. Okay, I'm going to take out this YSL highlighter. I really, really enjoyed it. Gosh, it gave me such a beautiful look. And I did use this highlighter as my like really natural highlighter. I used this on my anniversary dinner day, which was on the 1st, so I was really pleased to use that. I am going to take this out for now. As much as I love this bronzer, and gosh, I love it. I hope that they still sell it somewhere. But I'm going to take this one out for now because I have a different bronzer in mind that I want to start working on. So this one is going out. This palette is obviously staying in. I think everything else is staying in here, as well as my eyeliners and such. You know what, I'm going to take out this highlighter. I did end up using it quite a number of times. It is a very glowy highlight. I did really enjoy it, but I'm going to take this one out for now. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to take out for now. I have quite a few number of things that are staying in because they're in project pans and whatnot. I'm still trying to figure out if I like this Kylie Cosmetics, so I'm going to keep that in, but everything else I'm keeping in for now, and let's go shop my stash. Okay guys, so when shopping my stash, I am actually going to start down here. I have been seeing this palette all over the place, and I have been dying to use it. So I am going to pull this one for a bronzer. So I have a light bronzer, and then I have 3 blushes in here. I won't be able to use this darker one, which is okay, but I've been dying to use this one, so I'm going to pull this one for sure. I don't know if I want a highlight palette or just a simple highlighter. Where's it at? This is the one I have been wanting to try out, and I still haven't tried it yet, so I think I'm going to try this one. There's 2 cream highlighters and 2 powder highlighters. It's from CoverFX. It is the Perfect Light Highlighting Palette, so this is for lighter skin tones, and I think I'm going to pull this one as well. So I'll pull these 2 face palettes. Okay guys, so I also wanted to pull another bronzer, and I definitely am thinking I want to pull this one here. This is the Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer, which will be perfect for me for the winter time here. And she is getting real old, guys. But it just gives me a tiny little tint of color. It's really not a great color for me, but in the winter time, it is. So I am going to pull this bronzer here, and then I think I'm going to leave all the rest of the bronzers. This one's also like broken too, which is really annoying. So getting this really big bulky packaging out of my collection would be amazing. So I'm going to pull this one. Okay guys, from my blush drawer right here, I kind of didn't reorganize my camera setup, but that's okay. I'm going to pull Tarte Party. Let me see if I can get a close-up for you. So you guys can tell that I've really wiped away the pattern on here, and I have actually 2 of these. I don't know how I got another one, probably in a Sephora box or something, but I want to try to get this one used up at some point. I'll probably put this in a project eventually, but if I can put it in my drawer and kind of start working on it, I think I'm going to do that. Plus, I've been way more into just like more neutral toned blushes right now, so definitely want to get this one going. Okay, and this is my highlight drawer. Always my hardest drawer to show, this one and my topmost one, which is lipsticks, because they're so high and my ring light only goes so high. So I'm going to pull one out of here. I think I definitely want to pull, I don't know, I have this Fenty Beauty one. It's like super glowy. Don't think I'm really into like a super glowy look right now. Maybe I'll pull this one. There's this Wander Beauty one. That one's really pretty. I think I'm going to pull this IBY Beauty in. It's just like a little small size. I actually won this in an IBY Beauty holiday giveaway, so that was really cool. This one is in the shade Pink Pearl. So this is what she looks like. It's really small. I mean, it's really not big at all, but it is gorgeous. I don't even think I've swatched this yet. Oh, so smooth. Okay, let's see. Oh, that is gorgeous. And then if you blend it out, oh, that'll be a perfect, like natural, neutral toned, not too glowy. I think that'll be perfect for work. So I'm going to pull this one in as well. Okay guys, so I'm actually having a hard time trying to figure out where to put this in here because it's not really fitting where I want it to. So I think I'm going to put this one down there, and I'm going to have to put this one here. So I'll do like that. This is going to have to go down here, and then I'll have to put that on top. I don't know. That's what we're working with right now, I guess. I don't know anymore. But yeah, so super quick shop my stash. I really didn't want to go into all of the products. I really just wanted to show you the ones that I was bringing out. If you want like a full overview of everything in here, I will link my beginning one, like my very first one from January, if you're curious. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be working with for the month. Really, I'm just changing out face products. I did finish 2, and I say two foundations. 2, you guys, 2. I can't even handle it. I'm so excited. So I finished 2 foundations in the month of January. So one of them was a sample size, one of them was a full size. So I'm really excited about that. And I do need to figure out a new foundation to be wearing because I don't want to always wear the same one, but we'll figure that out later. And then I always have these sample sizes that I can go through here. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this super quick shop my stash. I know it was short and sweet, but sometimes my videos have to be like that. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!